Remove the plastic shim inside the front brake caliper. Take down axle guards. Carefully lower the fork and ensure the brake rotor goes into the caliper. Next, align the dropouts with the axle of the wheel hub to make sure the fork dropouts are fully seated on the axle. Remove the thumb nut and cone spring from quick skewer. Open and install the quick skewer starting from the brake rotor side of the wheel, and then push quick release skewer through the hub. Tighten the thumb nut until the quick release lever is held in line with the axle and close the quick release skewer. Remove the nuts and bolts which are used to fix fender. Put fender on correct place and tight bolts. Remove the 4 screws from the stem, ensuring the linear markings on the handlebars are centered and handlebars are adjusted to the comfortable position. Finally, tighten the screws with the assembly tool. Adjust light bracket for installing headlight. Remove bolts on 2 sides of headlight. Install the headlight through the smallest hole on bracket and tight bolts. Remove the bolt on steering light and install it on the middle hole on bracket. Same for the steering light on the other side. Connect the connectors of lights and check whether lights work normally. Remove bolts on left side for installing basket barrier. Before installing pedals, please distinguish left one and right one, which cardell and are on axles. Install pedals. For left side, rotate the wrench counterclockwise, and rotate wrench clockwise for right side.